Meal Preppers, Paul coming at you here from the Let's Meal Prep app. It's an app that my wife and I built just for you so you can cook something simple and amazing every night. Our app simply lays out detailed instructions with a shopping list so you can swipe and cook directly from your phone. Today, I've got a spicy chicken salad with some spicy chickpeas. And this can be eaten cold or you can warm it up a little bit, but add your favorite dressing to it and just go to town. This has got some quinoa on the bottom. I don't know where I get this stuff. It's got quinoa on the bottom. We got some field greens with radishes, tomatoes, and the chicken is spiced up with some cumin, cinnamon, and marinated in lemon juice. So, gosh, it's got an amazing flavor there. A little bit of salt and pepper. And then the chickpeas, we roasted in the pan with cumin and salt as well. And guys, just add your favorite dressing and here you go. It's a beautiful chicken salad, a little garnish with some green onion. Check that out. Chickpeas are trying to roll away. Guys, I can't wait to eat this. It's coming up in the app this Thursday. Hope you love it. Take care and have an amazing week.